Meron hong ongoing discussions, about this, but I hope you could understand, 'no, I can't give, more details about it at this point. But, hintayin ho natin 'no, kung anong magiging pagpapasya ng impeachment court kaugnay sa bagay na 'to na inaasahan namin na malaman natin by next week.
Alright, sir. Pero bakit po ba nagkaroon po ng ganitong discussion in the first place?
It's a matter that was, brought up 'no, by the presiding officer. I think, tinanong din ang, opinyon ng magkabilang panig ukol dito 'no. At, again, I hope you understand 'no, I can't give, more details about it at this time. So, hintayin na lang ho natin kung ano hong maging desisyon ng impeachment court.
But what is the position of the prosecution panel? Will it help speed up the procedure po?
Well, dun sa pagdating naman ho ng help to speed up, regardless kung ano ho yung, magiging setup 'no, kung tatapusin muna, lahat ng articles of impeachment 'no, lahat ng ebidensya ng prosecution tapos naman 'pag tapos na kami, depensa naman or maghahalinhinan, pareho naman yung gagawin namin na pagsisikapin naming mapabilis 'to 'no, by eliminating yung mga witnesses na pagtingin namin hindi na kailangan umupo bilang testigo dahil na-cover na yung testimony nila na ibang witnesses, hindi na namin ipilit na iupo pa sila 'no. So, um, either way, we will try to do that. But at the end of the day, again, we will respect the decision of the impeachment court on this matter at hintayin ho namin ang pagpapasya nila.